Hello everyone. Welcome to this video guide on setting up an Azure Service Principal for Massdriver. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. I'm going to log into Massdriver here, and let's configure a new Azure credential. We're going to name our credential Acme Inc. And now I need to sign into my Azure account. Once we're signed in, let's search for Azure Active Directory and open it. Then we're going to select App Registrations and click New Registration. I'm going to name my Azure Service Principal Massdriver Service Principal. And we are going to set accounts in this organization directory only and leave the redirect URI blank. Then we are going to click Register. And what we want to do now is copy the application client ID and paste it into Massdriver under Client ID. We can then grab the directory tenant ID and also copy that into Massdriver as the tenant ID. Next, we'll need to create a client secret. So we'll select Certificates and Secrets on the left and select New Client Secret. I'm going to name this secret RBAC and set the expiration date for 6 months. Once the secret has been added, I'm going to copy the value of the secret and paste it into Massdriver under Client Secret. Now we do not want to select the secret ID. That is not going to be a successful deployment. Also, this is the only time that we can view the value of the secret. Once we leave the page, we cannot view the value again. During secrets rotation, we can simply delete this secret and create a new one to rotate the secret. Next, I need to assign some Active Directory permissions to our Azure Service Principal. So I'm going to select the API permissions page, and we're going to add some permissions. I'm going to click Add a Permission and select Microsoft Graph, and then Application Permissions. We are going to search for Application, expand the application category, and enable application.readwrite.all. We can then search for directory, expand the directory category, and select directory.readwrite.all. And lastly, we can search for group, expand the group category, and select group.readwrite.all. Once we have those permissions selected, we can click Add Permissions. Now that the permissions have been added, we need to grant consent for them by clicking Grant Admin Consent for Acme Inc. and click Yes. We are now done with the Active Directory, and we need to set some permissions for our Azure subscription. I'm going to search for subscriptions and select my subscription. Once we're in the subscription, we can select Access Control and then click the Add button to add a new role assignment. We are going to select the Privilege Administrator Roles tab and then select the Owner permission and click Next. From this page, we can click Select Members and search for our Service Principal. I'm going to type in Massdriver and select my Service Principal, and then select Review and Assign twice to apply the permission. I'm also going to copy the subscription ID into Massdriver and click Submit. And that's it. We have successfully created an Azure Service Principal for Massdriver. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us in the community Slack channel that's listed down in the description. Thank you for watching.